I wanted to start off this video answering questions that I've been getting in my email. And this is regarding the ammo can that I just released along with the ammo boxes. So I wanted to show you in the image here. Now I currently don't have it printed as I have to get new material to be able to print this whole ammo can, which that'll be coming in a video here shortly. But just to show you the size of this thing compared to the ammo box. As you can see, I could basically have two of these boxes. It's about the height of the actual ammo can. And then the width is about, I'd say, 2.5 sizes of the ammo box itself. So this is so you guys can go ahead and just open your box of ammo and dump it in. You should easily, in this ammo can, hold of 223, 5.56 or any other ammo way over 500 rounds, possibly more. As soon as I get mine printed up here, I'll be able to post a video on it. I'm actually going to go buy this material, this exact color, to match my design versus using gray like I do on this one here, like gray or black. I'm actually going to buy this tannish color and print it so you guys can see that better. So stay tuned to that video. That'll be coming probably in the next couple days after I get everything. I gotta make a trip to go get this filament, and the location near me, the closest one is about 25 minutes away, or I can order it from Amazon, but normally I just go to Micro Center and purchase these. So this is the answer to those questions I've been getting. What's the difference between the ammo box and the ammo can? Well, as you can see, complete size difference, and this will hold a whole lot more ammo in this box. Just to give you guys a context on the size of it. So hope that answered your questions. If you got any further questions, please put them in the comments, whether it's on here on TikTok, whether it's on YouTube, or it's on Instagram, or if you want to shoot it over to my email like most of you did. I'll be happy to create a video and answer any questions you may have regarding these files. Files are available on the site. Link will be in the description, or you could check my bio. It's in there as well. Thank you guys for your support, and let me know if there's anything else you guys would like to see created and available for you to download and 3D print yourself. Thank you again. Take care.